If I've said it once, I've said it a couple thousand times. If you want to run a successful business, you have to know your numbers. Most people who start as owner-operators don't have a lot of bookkeeping experience or knowledge. In fact, they probably have none. I know, I was that person. In fact, I hated the sound of the word bookkeeping. I hate paperwork, and I'm not at all disciplined to do things I hate doing. But my desire to succeed exceeded my hate for keeping track of my numbers. I wanted to succeed so badly that I had to find a way. At first, I tried letting someone else do my bookkeeping. It seemed like such an easy answer, and yet it didn't work. I had financial reports, but I had no real understanding of the numbers or what to do with them. My business didn't get any better, and I was even more frustrated. I decided to just white knuckle it and force myself to do the work. I bought QuickBooks, and I started reading QuickBooks for Dummies, and things got better. I started to get a real understanding of my numbers and how to improve my business. My profits increased, and I was able to add trucks and start growing the business. But then I started slacking off. I was too busy to take the time and keep QuickBooks updated, and my business started to falter again. I needed a better and easier way that wouldn't take as long to get my numbers together. I decided to take everything I had learned and create my own bookkeeping program. I started with spreadsheets. I took an entire week off and spent almost 100 hours building the most amazing spreadsheets to run my trucks, and I made it drop dead simple to use. Again, my business started to get better. I was deep into my numbers and making improvements. My business started to grow again, and then I found out the limitation of spreadsheets. As my business grew, my spreadsheets couldn't handle it, and I had to go back and put in way too many hours to update it, and now it wasn't easy or quick to use. I needed something with the power of QuickBooks that was easy to use and could grow with my business. Once again, I took everything I had learned from years of tracking numbers on my own trucks and years of helping other owner-operators and small fleets do their bookkeeping and taxes, and ProfitGauges was born. This program is hands down the easiest and fastest way to get your numbers organized. Know how much you're making and how much you're spending, have all of your cost per mile numbers right at your fingertips, and so much more. If you want to maximize profits or grow your business, you have to have numbers, and ProfitGauges is the best system on the planet. Once you learn the system, you'll be able to do your bookkeeping for the entire month in less than an hour and have every number you need in one report. It will keep you so organized, you'll save more money on taxes alone than you pay for the subscription. Get started right now. Watch the videos and tutorials in this program and you'll agree. There is no better way to run your business than ProfitGauges. Thanks for your support and master the journey.